Hello everybody, I will tell you how to increase your internet speed. Before these tips, I am checking my networking signal. At first, we need a aluminum board. Puncture this board at central place as your modem's extension cable connection point. Place your modem in this place. Connect your extension cable to this modem at back side this board. Take a sitting bench like this one. Keep your board at back side the bench. These are setting up outside the room. Now your internet speed is so fast with increasing networking signal. Thank you very much.